Freeze! Do you have a super busy week or a ton of extra leftovers? Save time and money by stashing make-ahead meals in the freezer. Here's everything you need to know about preparing, storing, and thawing your reheat treats. Some foods freeze better than others, like casseroles, soups, stews, pasta sauces, and meatballs. So double the recipe and save the rest for later. Hashtag weeknight dinner win. Before you go shoving things in that icebox, make sure your food has cooled down completely, or the heat will warm up your freezer and ruin everything. After that, portion it out into meal-sized containers or packages. Wrapping is important. You don't want your food to be exposed to unpleasant odors or susceptible to freezer burn, so make sure to use freezer-safe and airtight containers or bags. Separate by quarts to make sure everything freezes uniformly and in a timely manner. Food that is 2 inches thick should take about 2 hours to freeze completely. So how long can you leave your food in the freezer? Well, it depends on what it is. Soups, stews, and baked goods will keep for about 2 to 3 months, and sauces, meatballs, casseroles, and unbaked goods for 6. I always keep a batch of chocolate chip cookie dough in the freezer for those emergency situations. You all know what I'm talking about. When you're ready to dig in, you've got a few options. Unless it's baked goods, you don't want your food to thaw out at room temperature. The slowest and safest way to defrost your food is in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight. You can also put frozen food in a leak-proof bag and place in a large container of cold water. Use the defrost setting on your microwave only if you plan on chowing down immediately, as some parts of the food may have begun to cook already. Blech. Your freezer is the age-old hero for the make-ahead meal world. So let it save the day. Freezerific!